Hey everyone, so I am potting a cactus today. So I have a fresh bag of some cactus palm and citrus potting mix, and I just wanted to show you guys the bag really quick so you could see what it is that I'm using. This is by Miracle-Gro, and it's just some basic cactus potting soil. And this is the little cactus that we are potting today. I just got him today. This is a gold lace cactus. It was only $2.99. I got it from Ace Hardware because I'm actually going to be potting some other cacti sprouts that I got growing over the last couple of months, and I needed that soil. But I just so happened to see this cactus for such a cheap price, and I was like, oh, this is so cute, let me get it. And now I'm trying to pot it. So anyway, I'm just gonna put it in this little pot. It's obviously substantially bigger than the one it's in. I normally don't repot plants when I first get them. Like today, this is day of, I just got this, but it'll be fine. This cactus will be fine. It's just leaning, you know what I mean? I don't think he's happy in there. I wouldn't be happy like this. So we're going to put it in this. All right, so similar process as I did on my last live when I planted my propagation. Ow, I have one of those thorns in my finger from the cactus. Hold on, I'm cutting open this soil real quick so you guys can see. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of soil here in the bottom, like that. And I'm kind of like just making a little cavity in the center for it to kind of sit in. And this is just going to, be careful because you don't want to poke yourself like I have already poked myself. I'm just taking this out, and I'm not going to remove any of this dirt. It's not necessary. I'm just going to stick it straight in like that. And now I'm just going to add soil around it, and then that's it. That's why I said I was just going to, do this really quickly. Get some soil around it because he was leaning in this other little tiny pot. So, plus putting it in a bigger pot is going to encourage it to grow. So, get bigger. So we shall see. All right, clean that up. I'm just pushing this down in. Not too hard, but just enough. All right, see? That's better. Standing straight up, looking good. And it's that simple. It's that simple. Okay, now I could water this. The soil was pretty dry, the original soil that it was in, this one. But yeah, so I probably will water this and call it a day. But yeah, it's that simple. I just wanted to show you guys really quick. This is normally the same process I do with most plants when I pot them. But I will have more in-depth videos on repotting plants in the future. But I just wanted to do this really quick. But yeah. This is a golden lace cactus in a new home. Bye, guys.